Imagine a world where giants ruled, where dinosaurs thundered across continents, and the climate was a wild, untamed force. Now, what if humans walked that land? Would we survive, or would we too become part of the past? For hundreds of millions of years, Earth's climate has shifted, collapsed, and been reborn. In the age of dinosaurs, the stage was set for an epic transformation. When the climate tipped, the giants lost their throne, and the planet reshaped itself. Today, we face our own tipping point. Our fossil fuels burn like ancient volcanoes. Our skies fill with carbon like prehistoric storms. We are the newcomers on this planet. The giants are long gone, but their lesson remains. When the climate changes, it doesn't wait. It creates winners, and losers. Will we be one of the few who survive, or just another giant lost to time? The asteroid impact didn't just kill the dinosaurs in the blast zone, it triggered a global climate collapse. Within hours, darkness fell. Within weeks, temperatures plummeted, and the food chain disintegrated from the bottom up. 3/4 of all species vanished. But from the ashes, new rulers emerged. In the wreckage of the Cretaceous, the meek inherited the earth. Small mammals, once relegated to the shadows, now ventured into the light. They weren't the strongest, but the most adaptable. Today, we stand at our own inflection point. For 250 years, we've burned fossil fuels, releasing carbon that took eons to store. We've raised CO2 to levels not seen in 3 million years. The planet is warming faster than at any point in the last 66 million. The question is, will we adapt, or will we follow the giants into the fossil record? The dinosaurs didn't have a choice. We do. The lesson of the dinosaurs is that survival requires adaptation. The giants are gone. We're still here. What happens next is up to us.